G'day, this is Tino Carnevale, and I want to introduce you to my favourite plant, my plantspiration, Banksia marginata, the little coastal form. And this is also my favourite plant, Quercus roba, the English oak. This is also my favourite plant, not him, the cotinus. And that one behind me, the big one, the big tree, the sequoia, that's also my favourite. And Dicksonia antarctica, I'm pretty partial to them as well. I like Gunnera, and I also like the petiolas behind them. They're cool. Daphne doesn't just look good, it smells divine as well. And I love herbs too. Pretty much all herbs. Actually, to be honest, I like all plants you can eat. I suppose my plantspiration is all plants, but I do like them when they're all grouped together in a nice collection, like here at the Royal Tasmanian Botanical Gardens. This was the place of my learning. Some kids went to the library, some to the sports pitch. I went here. It's the best botanical gardens in the world. So next time you're in Hobart, come and visit. But if you're not in Hobart, go and visit your own botanical gardens. They're pretty good too.